Okay, guys. So let's continue with the part of discussion in the context of Maharashtra history and post Ambedkar era. We are going to end the Dalit reform movements now, and from the next lecture we are going to move towards the women reform movements. Okay, so the next important movement was in the context of renaming of Marathwada University. Okay, so what happened? This particular movement started in 1977. Okay, why this particular movement started? Because there was a person called as Gangadhar Gade. Okay, there was a person whose name was Gangadhar Gade. What he demanded? He demanded the university at Aurangabad or the Marathwada University should be named after Ambedkar or Dr. Ambedkar. It should be named after Ambedkar. Okay, and as soon as he gave this particular proposal, all the political parties or all the small associations, you can say, such as Yuvak Kranti Dal, okay, Yuvak Congress, Akhil Bharatiya Vidyarthi Parishad, Janata Yuvak Aghadi, Samajwadi Kranti Dal, Student Federation of India, All India Student Federation, Dalit Yuvak Aghadi, Yuva Republic, then Dalit Panther, Yuva Republic. Okay, sorry, just a minute. Yuva Republic, Dalit Panther, and Purogami Yuvak Sanghatna. I just written the names over here. I'll explain everything. Just see what happened. Renaming of Marathwada University. What happened was Gangadhar Gade demanded that what we should do, we should give Marathwada University the name of Ambedkar. Okay, and these all parties, whichever I have written over here, they all standed or they all stood in support of this particular resolution which was passed by Gangadhar Gade. Okay, and finally, when this executive body of Maharashtra, this university, there was a university, and this university had an executive body. Okay, this executive body has passed a resolution to do so. Okay, that they will be changing the name, and that too unanimously. Unanimously. Okay, that is without any opposition. You can say clearly, everyone was in the favor of doing this particular thing. Okay, though this particular thing was passed when on 18th of July 1979, but still the name was not implemented. Okay, the name was not given. Then what happened? This particular thing was to be discussed in the legislature. In legislature, Sharad Pawar also passed this particular resolution of changing the name again unanimously. Okay, in the Maharashtra Assembly as well, in the Maharashtra Council as well. Both in both the places it was what you can say passed, but still it was not implemented. Okay, and this non unimplementation of this particular order has burned the situation, or you can say it has heated the situation. Okay, or you can say it has taken a violent turn. It took a violent turn. Okay, though it is passed, but still they are not what you can say implementing this particular decision. So the Dalits took this on them, attack on them. Okay, so what happened in the whole period of 1978 to you can say generally 94. Okay, there were too many things happening in Maharashtra, or you can say the atmosphere of Maharashtra was very heated. Okay, whole Maharashtra was filled with agitations, with different movements, with counter agitations. Okay, long marches were held over here. Okay, Maharashtra was full of agitation in this particular time frame. Okay, a long march was launched. Okay, you can say generally a long march on 6th of December 1979. A long march was launched called as Samata Dindi. Okay, on 6th of December to launch this particular thing, it was done. Okay, and then on 24th and 30th of you can say May 1982, Jail Bharo Andolan started. See the implementation, the resolution which was passed just for its implementation. Okay, the people have not the what you can say legislature or executive have not done their work properly, and for that particular thing, what happened? The whole Maharashtra is burning. Okay, just because of this particular small thing. Okay, not implementing the resolution. This was the biggest mistake, or what you can say, uh, ignorance of the executive in their role, due to which this many revolts in Maharashtra took place, or Maharashtra was totally, you can say, disrupted at this point of time. So again, the resolution, the demand for it was going on, going on, going on. Okay, then finally, the chief minister of that time, who was he? Sharad Pawar. On 13th of December 1994 at 7:45 p.m. See, this much details are given in your book. Okay, what he did? He gave a notice on Doordarshan to everyone, and he said that henceforth, from 14th of December 1994, Ambedkar's name would be given to Aurangabad University. Okay, this particular thing started. Ambedkar's name was given to the Aurangabad University, and it was said that from next day itself, okay, you would be implementing this. And on the same day, that is on this same day, he has announced, okay, Sharad Pawar has announced one more university. Where? At Nanded. What Sharad Pawar has done? Sharad Pawar has announced one more university at Nanded. Okay, and what was the name suggested to this particular university? It was named as Swami Ramanand Tirtha Marathwada University. Okay, now till this decision came, too many people on this means you can say nearby this time. Okay, many people have tried to self immoralize, molotov. That is burning self. Okay, they have tried this particular move of burning themselves, but still, this renaming agitation was successful, and everyone got peace through this particular move, or everyone was happy. You can say the conflict between everyone. Okay, Dalit community responded positively to it. Same non-Dalits also responded positively. Okay, everyone had a sensible approach, and thus peace was re-established. Okay, this conflict, you can say, for renaming, it lasted for nearly 2 decades. Okay, and finally, you can say this period gave success to Dalit. The whole university was named by the leader of Dalits. Okay, now this brought them equal on ground. Okay, though they were not equal completely, or they were not equal you can say, as per the other sections of the society, but still you can say that they were on par field. Okay, after this particular move, or after this particular success which they have got in this particular move. Okay, so this part, what you can say here, the conquest, or it seems that Dalit movements were successful till this particular time. Now, what is the task left to us, or how the questions would be asked to us if the exam turns to be what you can say written or descriptive? Okay, or what you can say, they can ask you MCQ on this particular thing. Okay, evaluate this particular, was it successful, what all things it gave, You just need to evaluate this particular. Okay. So first thing, what you can say about this particular movement. Okay, this particular movement, so Dalit reform movements gave the feel of, or they gave justice to Dalits of Maharashtra. What they did, they gave justice to the Dalits of Maharashtra. Okay, first important evaluation you can say. Okay, second, what they did, they increased or they encouraged the confidence among Dalits. Okay, not only Dalits you can say, but it has also motivated other sections of the society. Okay, other sections of society was also motivated by this particular movement. Okay, apart from that, you can say slavery ended. Slavery of Dalits ended. Okay, they got education, they got livelihood opportunities. Okay, so this caused their all-round development. Okay, or this led to all-round development. Also, due to their development or due to this many things, what happened? The status or life status changed. They got good standard of living, you can say, or there were changes in the day-to-day life happening or standard of living in simple terms. Okay, next, what I can put more is these movements, they provided to be one of the greatest movements. Why? Because they also cherished human values like equality, fraternity, social justice, fraternity, 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 social justice. Then you can say equality, fraternity, social justice, freedom, etc. to the Dalits. Okay. Now, what happened? This was good. Everything was going on very well. But later, again, ideological difference arose. Okay. Then there was again split in them. These people got divided. Okay. And when they got divided, they became weak to put themselves as a diaspora or to put their ideas in front of everyone. Okay. And also, we can say there was one more thing, that they did not get efficient leaders in future, such as Ambedkar, such as Vittal Ramji Shinde, such as Sayaji Rao Gaikwad. Okay. They did not get such an efficient and such as powerful charismatic leaders in future. Okay. So this movement faded later. Thus, you can say this movement was successful, but not completely successful. Okay, so this movement later faded. You can say, okay, this movement for years to come. Okay, this movement is required for years to come. In future, you can say this movement is there for years to come due to present inequalities in Maharashtra, due to continuance of inequality in Maharashtra. They are need of time. Still, we require such movements because as of now, as of today, yet you can say these movements have not been abolished, or the inequality has not been established completely. Okay? There is a need for this movement in upcoming years till we have a society which has equal grounds for everyone. Okay, so this was the crux for the Dalit movements. Okay, with this, the part of Dalit movements in Maharashtra ends. Okay, the next section we'll be discussing about the women movements. Okay, the women's movements related to women and how the development of women took place in the field of Maharashtra. You're going to see this particular part in the upcoming session. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this particular session. Thank you for being attentive. Chalo, have a good day.